So today we're here to talk about the 2020 Maverick X3 X RS Turbo RR. This unit has so much to offer. We're going to highlight some of the features on the outside of this unit. We're going to start from the front and work our way back. Let's start with the integrated front bumper. Also, you'll notice the signature Can-Am LED headlights. Moving around the unit, you'll notice the 14-inch aluminum beadlock wheels, along with the 30-inch Maxxis Bighorn 2.0 tires. And then from here, you'll notice in the front suspension, we have the AA arm with sway bar, allowing for 22 inches of travel. This Maverick has the ultra efficient and lightweight chassis. Moving around to the rear, you'll notice the 4-link TTX with sway bar on the rear suspension. This Maverick comes with a 195 horsepower turbocharged and intercooled Rotax Ace engine. You'll notice the front shocks are the Fox 2.5 Podium RC2 piggyback. Here on your rear shocks, you have the Fox 3.0 Podium RC2 remote reservoir with bypass. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you are new to the channel, make sure and subscribe to the channel and turn post notifications on so you can stay up to date on any new product videos we have coming out. And until next time.